This Super Decoder game is an addicting must-have logic game for you to add to your home. It is great for traveling. I got the sample to check out and review, and my family is obsessed. Kids and adults alike are loving this one. It comes with a little user manual that will go over how to play as well as how to care for the device. Once you learn how to play this one, it is really simple. It does require 2 AA batteries in the back you're going to have to provide yourself. On here, there's a little switch. You're going to rotate this up and it's going to turn on. This is the device itself. There's 2 different versions of gameplay. I should say actually technically there's 4 different versions of gameplay. Up here there's single mode, so you're playing single player, or you can play dual player. Single player, there's 2 different single player games. There's the easy version and the harder version. So the easier version is going to give you this screen. You can see when you have a color in the correct spot, it will light up green. So this green is correct, this orange is correct. However, the white color underneath means that that's a correct color in the code. However, it's in the wrong spot. So you can see both these have white underneath. So you can easily deduce that it's going to be green, orange, and then swap it blue, yellow, and that's going to be the code. If you go down to this setting, this is a little bit harder. You can see there's 4 different colors. On this side now, this is where the hints are. So there's 2 of these colors are correct and in the right spot. White means that you have the correct color in there, but it's in the wrong position. And then if you get a black dot, that means you don't have a color right and it's in the wrong spot. So you have 7 tries to guess the code. What you're going to do is you're going to use this little knob right here to rotate and then press in. So you're going to go through the different guesses. When you want to press and enter to the next one, you just press it down. So let's say you want to do, I don't know, let's do red. Let's switch those around. Do green there. Now let's say you wanted to use this as your second guess. You're going to hold this button down. It's going to submit your guess, and you can see I got further away. So this time there is only 1 in the right spot in the right color, and then there's 3 that are the right color, but once again, they're in the wrong spot. So you're going to keep guessing until you can figure it out. There's 100 different easy modes and then 500 different advanced levels. So 600 plus levels you can do on this device itself. Like I said, you can change what way you get your hints on here. It will display the level you're on right here. There also is that dual level I talked about. This is for when you have 2 player. The first person is going to set the code and the second person is going to try to guess it. So this is great for on the go or at home. Very addicting. Kids and adults alike love this one. Check this out to add to your home.